Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Sunday morning. Robin and I went and did our usual weekly shopping. Not only did we do our weekly shopping, which is a very simple week from today through Wednesday, we also finished up our Turkey Day feast shopping. Now, Vinny in produce thinks I'll be back before Thanksgiving. And Mike in the meat department thinks I won't be back. Who will win? If I have to go back, I will go like at 7 o'clock in the morning. I will not go during the day. No. All right. Last night, we took it easy and we had a wonderful Red Baron pizza. Yeah, super simple and cheap. Red Baron to us is the best frozen pizza on the market. Right. This, like I said, is going to be a simple week between tonight and Wednesday. Tonight is Meatloaf, my Meatloaf, and I'm doing a little cheats, a couple few cheats in it to save me some time and some effort. And we're going to have gratin potatoes and a carrots and peas, frozen style. Of course, they'll be cooked. So let's get to it. Got the hardware going. Loaf pan, saucepan, bakingware, yes. We're going with actual beef because somebody forgot to pull the elk out yesterday. That was me. Oops, I remembered at 9 o'clock last night. Not going to happen. I'm using pico de gallo. Normally I would use red bell pepper and an onion and yada yada. So I've decided I'm just going to get some pico going and keep it simple. I'm using a 93.7 ground beef. I like to have the less fat as possible in my meatloafs because they just bleed everywhere with the grease when they cook. Some kosher salt, some black pepper, a little sleeve of Ritz crackers, which I'll crumble up, 1 egg. By the way, this is half of what I normally make, but because it's turkey week and blah, 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 yeah, I decided just to do just a very small one. Some Lee & Perrins Worcestershire sauce. We'll have some oregano, some basil, some granulated garlic, and Mexican paprika. And I'm going to top this off with some teriyaki sauce from Panda Express. We really like this teriyaki sauce. I don't use it very often because I usually make my own. But I decided to not use ketchup or gravy or barbecue sauce. I decided, because I had it, using the teriyaki sauce. And Robin thinks it's a great idea. Gratin potatoes out of the box. Like I said, I'm trying to keep things simple. And again, I'm using frozen carrots and frozen peas. Yeah. I'm all stocked up with onions and shallots and garlic for the stock that I will be making this week. So, that's tonight's dinner. Super simple. This week's menu is the meatloaf. Tomorrow is breakfast for dinner. It's going to be eggs, link sausage, pancakes. Yeah, I haven't done pancakes in a long time. One of the next meals is going to be chili dogs with fries. And what's the last one? I don't remember.
I don't remember either.
Oops.
Chili dogs, breakfast for dinner, meatloaf.
I don't know. It's something. All right.
Huh.
We both can't remember. All right. So on this Sunday, and it's a beautiful sunny Sunday. The rain is going to be leaving us for a few days, and then we'll be getting some more rain starting either tomorrow or Tuesday. So on this Sunday, have a great day. Get your turkeys out if they're still frozen. Eat great food and have fun cooking.